Here's how to allow camera access on Instagram. Now, open up the Instagram app. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but if you're on an Android, it works the exact same. Now, from here, we can swipe to the right, and it might say allow Instagram access to your camera or microphone, or it might say it requires access to your library or the photos and videos in your library. I'll show you how to fix both. We need to hop out of Instagram first and head into the settings. And the first thing that I would check is screen time to see if screen time potentially is the issue. A lot of times when screen time is turned on, it restricts access to certain things like your microphone and your camera for various apps. So if you don't need this, I would recommend turning this off. Keep in mind, if you do have a passcode set to it to lock those screen time settings, you might need to enter in that passcode. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go to the settings for Instagram. So go down and find Instagram on this list, and you should be able to see microphone and camera. So all you need to do is toggle these two on. Now, let's check out Instagram to see if it works. If I swipe to the right, it should open up the camera normally. However, keep in mind, if you don't see the camera or microphone in the settings, or if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do that definitely gets it to work is to go through the process of clearing the cache and storage on that app. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, we're just going to find the app in your iPhone storage, or if you're on an Android phone, just navigate to the Instagram app here, and we're going to offload this app and then reinstall it. The nice thing that when we do this is it clears the cache and temporary files and it force updates it to the latest version. So just offload it and reinstall it. When it's gone through the process of reinstalling, you'll be able to see it will be fully downloaded. From there, try to take a photo or a video and upload it, and it should again ask you for permission. Just hit the yes button or go into the settings and hit yes, and you'll be good to go.